Number system. A number system is a way of writing and expressing numbers using a set of symbols, a rule, and rules. Each number system has a base radix that tells that tells how many unique symbols it uses. For example, the decimal system has base on 10 and uses digits 0 to 9, while the binary system has been on 2 and only 0 and 1. Decimal to binary. Decimal is the number system we use every day. It has 10 digits 0 to 9. Example. Let's convert 13 from decimal to binary. Step 1. 13 divided by 2 equals 6, remainder 1. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2 equals 1, remainder 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 0, remainder 1. Step 2. Read the remainder from the bottom to top. That's 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Explanation. We repeated divide by 2 because octal uses power of 2. Decimal to octal. Definition. Octal is base 8 system, meaning it uses digits from 0 to 7. Examples of conversion. Let's convert 45 to octal. Step 1. 45 divided by 8 equals to 5. Remainder 5. 5 divided by 8 is equals 0. Remainder 5. Step 2. Read the remainder from bottom to top. 55 octal. Explanation. We divide by 8 because octal use powers of 8. Decimal to hexadecimal. Definition. Hexadecimal is base a 16 system using digits 0 to 9 and letters A to F, where A equals 10 and B equals 11 and F equals 15. Example of conversion. Conversion to 254 and hexadecimal. Step 1. Divide by 16. 254 divided by 16 is equals to 15. Remainder 14. 15 divided by 16 is 0. Remainder 15. Step 2. Convert remainder 15, then F, then 14, and then E. Step 3. Read from bottom to top, or FE, or hex. Explanation. We use 16 because hexadecimal uses power of 16. Hexadecimal to binary. Definition. Each hexadecimal digits represent 4 binary digits bytes. Example of conversion. Convert F2 to F to binary. Step 1. Write each hex digit has 4 byte binary. 2 equals 0010. Then F equals 1111. Step 2. Combine combine them to 00101111. Explanation. This is easier because each hexadigit digit directly maps to 4 binary bytes.